Spring is here, and that means getting out more, taking the family hiking, also headed to the pools. But this season also means there could be a lot of injuries. This next segment has been sponsored by Cantor Injury Law. And joining me this afternoon is senior partner and founder of Cantor Injury Law. We have Mark Cantor. Mark, thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me. I think this is probably the 20th or 23rd time, something like that, that I've been on this show.
And you truly are helping us stay encouraged. Hey, if you find yourself injured or in a sticky situation, you're here. You're a local Missouri lawyer, which is so important to our community.
I agree. Thanks. Some of the lawyers you see on TV here are only on TV. They're living in Kansas City or Florida. They're not here. We are physically located throughout Missouri and are here to help at Cantor Injury Law.
Absolutely. And if you find yourself hurt or injured after maybe doing some of those warm springtime and summer activities, I mean, the daylight is lasting a little bit longer, we see a lot more injuries. What should people be looking out for, Mark?
So first of all, people need to be careful. And a landowner, you know, like when we talk about truck accidents, we're talking about using the highest degree of care. But when we're talking about land, we're talking about ordinary care. So if you have a trampoline or, you know, those type of things, or pool, you got to use ordinary care. You got to warn of dangerous conditions. You know, it's about safety. Protect your family, protect your friends, protect your loved ones. Do the right thing, and there's no need for us. But people don't do that.
They don't, and that's why you're here. I mean, if somebody finds themselves in a situation where someone else is at fault in the cases, what's next?
So call Cantor Injury Law. We're local. I'm here on TV live with you, but I'm also live. I'll meet the client. I'll meet you at your home if necessary, and I'll take care of you and make sure that we fight to win your case. We never charge a fee unless you win. Cantor Injury Law or cantorinjurylaw.com. We're available all the time.
I love that. And if people find themselves needing you, is there insurance available to pay for these types of cases?
Well, most of the time there is. I mean, if you have a trampoline, for instance, it's going to be on your homeowner's insurance. If you have a dog that bites someone, you shouldn't, by the way, train your dogs. But if that happens, homeowner's insurance will pay for that. If you have a swimming pool, you'll have a rider on your insurance. So obviously, if it's a car accident or ATV accident, which can be a little bit tricky, you got to have a separate policy of insurance.
Ooh, that's good to know. And we know that these warm springtime and summer activities, we've been talking about them, hiking, biking, enjoying the pool. These are all things that you actually offer at your retreat center, Cantorland. Tell us a little bit more about that.
That's true. We will be doing all these things. There's a picture of me and my youngest son wearing a helmet in the ATV. That's our dog, Cash. So Cantorland, we have horses and goats and chickens, and we do all the fun things that Missouri has to offer, including hunting, but we do it safely. We're local. I think that shows a trampoline. We don't have a trampoline at Cantorland. And because of that, see, there's like 5 kids in that picture.
That's too many kids on one trampoline.
Right. That's how it happens right there.
Literally.
Yeah.
Okay, parents.
But swimming pool, be careful, be cautious. We have a lake at Cantorland, which is a natural man-made condition. So our duty of care is a little higher. We're extra careful. Swim safely, wear a life jacket, use the buddy system. And if you're ATVing, have at it, it's a great time, but do it safely. Speed is what kills, and we've seen so much death and destruction on ATVs. They roll over. So I hope that doesn't happen, but Cantor Injury Law is here for you if it does.
Absolutely. In St. Louis, all that information is actually right there on your screen. It's Cantor Injury Law. He's a local lawyer. He's here, boots on the ground, serving you. If you're interested, or you just want to go ahead and lock in his information, if you do find yourself in a pretty bad situation, that number is 314-628-9999. Don't forget, you can visit Mark and his team online at cantorinjurylaw.com. And again, this Ask the Expert segment has been sponsored by Cantor Injury Law. Mark, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.
You can count on Cantor.
Yes, you can.